Okay, so what is the output of this particular program? So let's check this part first. We have var x equals 1, 2, 3. Okay, so x of 10 we are assigning 99 to it, and then we are trying to print the value present at the 6th slot in the array x. Okay, so first of all, this x of 10 equals 99 is perfectly acceptable. Okay, so here there is an adjustment made, that is we have 3 slots here. So from slot number 3 to the slot number 9 we have made empty slots, and then what we do, we assign 99 to x of 10. Okay, so ideally this won't crash. The next thing is we are trying to print the value present in x of 6. So this will be outputting undefined. The slot will be remaining empty when we are using map. Okay, with respect to this particular part, when we are using map function, empty slots will remain empty in map's output, but undefined slots will be remapped using the function passed to it. Okay, so let's check the output of this particular part as well. So we have it here. So okay, so the first output is from this one, x of 6, so it's undefined. The second output is from this particular statement, x2. So x2 of 2 we have made it as 1, so x2 is basically declared and defined as undefined array. Okay, so x of 0 is undefined, x of 2 is 1 here, which we have assigned. Okay, so x of 1 is not shown, it's empty. The length of x is 3. Okay, now coming to this part, x2 dot map, okay, e implied to 7. Okay, now coming to the output of this particular statement here, x of 0 is 7, x of 2 is also made as 7, x of 1 will still remain empty, the length of x is 3. Okay,